Today we're going to learn how to draw Oz. And we're going to start with her head, which is very big and very round. And we'll start with the top of her head, like so. Nice big round curve, like so. And then we're going to put her cheek in. And her cheek goes all the way down into her neck. And then we put the back of her neck in, and there you have pretty much the shape of Oz's head. And then we're going to put in the back of her hair, or in this case, I suppose you would say it's the back of her feathers, because Oz is an ostrich. So we go 1, 2, 3, like that. And then Oz wears a collar around her neck. So we're going to just put in that collar like this. And now we're going to draw Oz's bow, her big red bow. So first, we start with a really big curve like that, and then a smaller one at the back. And then we put the knot of her bow in the middle, and then we do the left side. Like so. And now we're going to draw Oz's face, and we'll start with her eyes, which are two big oval shapes, like this. And then we can put in her pupils so that she's looking at us. And then we'll put in her eyebrows and her nice long eyelashes. And next we'll draw Oz's mouth, and we start with her cheek so that we know what her mouth goes into. And then we'll do the tip of her beak, which is a downward curving shape like this. And then she has a little lump on top of her beak, which kind of replaces what would be a nose. And then all we have to do is join up her lips so that they go into her cheek, like so. Next, we'll draw Oz's body, and her body's very tiny. It's just a very, very simple shape like this. Very, very simple, but very small. And then we'll do Oz's legs and her feet. And her legs are very, very simple. They're just two sticks, like this. And then her feet are shapes that are quite similar to her eyes. They're just elongated ovals. 1, 2. And then, so that it makes it look like she's wearing shoes, we put the line in to separate her skin from her shoes, and then she has little heels that she wears. And next we're going to draw her arms. So again, like her legs, they're just very, very simple sticks. She wears cuffs. And then her hands, 1 thumb, and then 1, 2, 3 fingers. Very, very simple. And then her other hand, the same. 1 arm, a cuff, and then a thumb, 1, 2, 3 fingers. Can you tell what I'm about to draw here? Because Oz always carries with her her phone. that's how you draw Oz. Thanks for watching.